What is a word? A word is a letter or a group of letters that have a meaning when spoken or written. It's a speech sound or combination of sounds that may consist of a single morpheme or a combination of morphemes. Words may be classified according to their meanings, uses, and actions. But it is very tough to define exactly. A word is an expressed or written letter or a set of letters that has a specific meaning. Morphemes are the smallest grammatical meaningful units in a language. In the field of linguistic study, the branch that studies the structures of a word is called morphology, and the branch that studies about the meanings the word is called lexical semantics. In the case of language learning, the branch of language that deals with word formation is called morphology, and the branch that works with the meaning of the word is called lexical semantics. Example: good look. The words mentioned above provide meanings, so they are the examples of the word. The words above express a certain meaning, so they are each a single word. A complete meaningful word should maintain the following criteria. There are some rules to follow in order to be a fully meaningful word. They are: 1. Every word must have a meaning. The word halalization has no meaning here in English, so it will not be covered by words. Every word must have a meaning. The word halalization doesn't have any exact meaning in English language, so it cannot be a word. 2. Every word has a root word from which many more new words are formed. If for some reason the word I root is broken, then it is no longer a semantic word. As shown here, happy is an English word. Adding un before makes the word unhappy. Every word has a root. From this root, many new words can be created. If somehow the root is broken, it will not be a word anymore. For example, say there is a word unhappy. The root is happy. A new word is created by adding un. If the root word happy is broken, it is not a valid word anymore. 3. To pronounce two words together, one has to pause between the two words and give space in the right place while writing. Suppose sky and blue are two English words. If we want to pronounce them, we need to pause after each word. When writing, you have to give a space between two words. A necessary pause during speaking and an effective space during writing between two or more words are a must. For example, suppose sky and blue are two words. If we want to pronounce them, we need a potential pause after pronouncing each of them. So, it should be like that: blue sky, not blue sky. And if we want to use them in a sentence, we must put a space after writing each of the words like blue sky.